What's up, Team T, baby? How y'all doing today? I hope you guys are having an amazing, fantastically wonderful day, just like I am. What you are about to see today, as you see from the title, is going to make you want to shop. So, I'm just warning you now, you might want to pull out your credit cards and be prepared, because these shoes I got are so freaking cute. I'm just like, okay, I chose different ones to show you guys for different options, but I just put on one outfit that I think, actually no, rewind that I know they will all go with, except for one, they're high boots, so I'm gonna put on shorts so you can see what it looks like with high boots. And actually I have worn the boots in an Instagram picture, which I'll put my Instagram here. If you are not following me on Instagram, are you really a Team T baby? So I wore an outfit, like I said, right now that I can wear all the other shoes, and then I'll put shorts on to show the high boots. But these are all so cute, so comfy, and so affordable. So winter, summer, spring, any season, you need to look cute. And like you guys know, I say, I believe your outfits, honestly, your shoes complement your outfit. Like, you don't want to have this cute outfit on and then these shoes that are busted up. It just is not going to look as good, especially for us females that love fashion and beauty and all that. You know, you don't want shoes, honestly, you never really see, I mean, just being real, you never see a woman, well, hopefully, with a really nice outfit and then these busted up shoes. You're like, hold on, what happened there? Like, honey, let me buy you some shoes. They are on sale right now. So anyways, I also, one of these outfits I have on right now, you will see soon in a clothing haul, but I had to wear it because it's so cute, and I had to wear it for these shoes. So let's get started and let's see which one is your favorite. I mean, they're all completely different, and they're all really good for different seasons and different, you know, hot, cold, summer, winter. You'll see. Let's get started. Okay, so first we have the Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Look at these nice, cute slides. Let me just slide them on real quick. Yes, girl. Work it, girl. Yes. Now, like I said, these, like, just with what I'm wearing, this goes as an outfit, because it's just like, you're like, this is like, you know, around the house, going to the store kind of thing. But like, these slides, they just, you can wear these with like a cute outfit, or you can wear them like, you know, if you're just going to a store run, or if at home and you want, your feet are cold and you want to put some slippers on. But I love slides. Like, literally, I can just, if I had an option, I can just wear slides all the time, because they're obviously really convenient and comfortable. You just slide them on and go. But these black furry slides, they're just so darling. Let's see. Okay, yes, next we have these heels, and like I said, look, I wore an outfit to where I can wear all of these shoes and still make it poppin', So these heels, you guys might have seen these before. And I have worn them before in a picture on IG, but like even with this, I would think this is super cute. Like it's just casual, but accentuates because it is heels. You know what I'm saying? So I think that these heels, they are like a suede soft. And the cool thing about these, ladies and gentlemen, look at this. It looks like a buckle, right? But then all you do is Velcro. For the lazy people here, like me, the fit lazy people, all you have to do is Velcro around your ankle. And they're super comfortable. Like I've walked in these for the day and I felt completely fine. Usually I'm like, oh my god, I can't stand being in heels anymore. But I chose this because I was like, this is so different. Like this is something, honestly, this little fringe on the top and the toes. It's so different, but it's so cute and it looks really good with like a dress or a skirt. Or like I said, like I even just put this on and it goes. Like, I mean, it goes. And I love it. These are so cute. Yeah. You guys, I think these ones, I mean, not only that the color is matching what I'm wearing, but I love the fact that they're like stylish, but like kind of like a casual heel, like a cute summer dress, or like, oh my gosh, oh, that was my knee. Like it's so, they're so cute, but let me show you close up. Like the back is open so your feet get some breathing, so your toes and your toes open, so your toes in the back of your heel where it gets sweaty in your feet have some breathing room so you're not sweaty if you're walking around. And honestly, these heels, ladies and gentlemen, are so comfortable. Like you can't feel this material, but it's like a stretchy fabric. And these are olive green, so yes, like I was saying, they do match my outfit today, which is perfect. But I love the fact that your heel and your toes are open, and obviously it's a style, but it gives it some room to breathe, you know. And I love this look. I do. I think it's so cute. So far we got 3 out of 5 and the 3 winners vegan chicken dinner. Oh my gosh, these boots are made for walking. That's just what they do. One of these days, these boots are gonna walk. Alright, that was a little much, but I know a lot of you out there, some of you out there have either combat boots, Timberlands, some kind of boots that you wear during the winter. And I have Timbs personally. I have combat boots. I have all those. I love boots. And I think that they go so cute with certain outfits. These are adorable. They're like, obviously they're not Timbs. This brand's Jadams. Did I not say that in the beginning? Holy snip. These are all Jadams, you guys. J freaking Adams has the cutest shoes. But these are not Timberlands. These are Jadams. So it's their style of like a, I don't know, like these are like combat boots, right? Like combat boot. And these are so cute with like shorts, leggings, jeans. You could do so much with this. And I'm actually going somewhere, I'm not saying where, in the end of this year, and possibly there's going to be snow, so these are going to be perfect for my snow outfit. And they're so freaking comfortable. Like I just think these are so cute. I love the wheat color, or like light brown, whatever it is. But I think that they even semi go with this outfit. Like I probably wouldn't wear it with this outfit, but I think that they even go. I mean, I'm just saying, I know a lot of you out there have some Timbs or some boots, so y'all know what I'm talking about on the comfort level. Okay, so I put shorts on for these ones. These are one of my favorites. Yes, girl. Yes, girl. Yes. Sometimes it gets me so hyped, but they're so cute. They go right above the knee, even if you have thick thighs. There's a tie in the back. So they have a little bit of a heel, tie in the back. I think this outfit even goes too. Like I said, all I did was change out of the leggings into the shorts so I can show you guys that they are high-waisted boots. Yes, yes. So much you could do, so much. Like, you guys, these outfits can be endless. I can pull out my whole closet and show like 10 different outfits with each one of these shoes. There's just so many endless possibilities, but of course, you know, what you wear, you need the cute and the right shoe. So maybe one day, if you guys like and if it helps you, I'll do a video of outfits with these shoes and I'll show you different outfits that go with different shoes. I think what I think looks best, and cute summer outfits, cute winter outfits, kind of like come into my closet. So all of these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs of Jadams shoes. I'll put all the links and everything to the ones that I got down in the description, but if you look at their website, they have so many shoes. Sometimes it's like really hard to choose because there's so many. But you guys, their prices are insanely good and their quality is insanely good. I'm all about quality over quantity. But these 5 that I chose, I love them because I have one slipper for, you know, like I said, casual or just on the go. I have 2 heels, black and green, for different outfits, different styles. 1 boot for winter or now. You can wear any style. Leggings, shorts, and then these high boots with the heel. So these are a little bit more on the classier side. I love the high leg. It's my favorite. Like, I love that it goes over my knee. Probably said that about 10 times, but anyways, that is all I have for you guys today. I hope that you loved this video as much as I love these shoes, and if you did, you know what to do. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up so I know that this is the kind of videos that you guys like, that you like when I show you before you use your money and purchase it online, okay? So all the links are down below, and that's all I have for you. See you on my next video.
One step is all it takes to get us moving anywhere. And now that we are on our way, I need to say, what used to keep us back were just excuses made to not change. You say, I promise to be there in every single way. We're doing this together, every step we take, closer to each other, so much to discover. I can't help but feeling our love taking over. Our hearts getting closer and closer. I can't get enough of times of getting lost with you. Getting lost with you. Getting lost with you. One step more and now we're far from everything we had. Ready for whatever's lying up ahead. We won't stop moving, feels too good for that. So good, feeling of love taking over. Our hearts getting closer and closer. I can't get enough of times of getting lost with you. Getting lost with you. I promise to be there in every single way.